Are you struggling to get your iPad connected to the internet? Do not worry. In this video we will dive into the 6 effective methods to fix this issue. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. First, ensure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Go to Settings Wi-Fi and toggle it off and on. Confirm you're connected to the correct network and enter the correct password. Step 2. Restart your iPad and router. Restarting can fix many connectivity issues. Power off your iPad. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Do the same with your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it, waiting for about 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. Step 3. Forget and rejoin the Wi-Fi network. If restarting doesn't work, go to Settings Wi-Fi, tap the network name, and select Forget this network. Then, reconnect by selecting the network and entering the password again. Step 4. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can resolve persistent issues. Go to Settings, General Reset network settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be sure to have them handy. Step 5. Update iOS. Ensure your iPad is running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General Software Update to check for updates. An outdated iOS can sometimes cause connectivity problems. Step 6. Check for interference and proximity. Ensure your iPad is within range of the Wi-Fi router and away from potential interference sources like microwaves, cordless phones, or thick walls. Move closer to the router if necessary. If the problem persists, contacting Apple support might be your best option.